Welcome back, everybody. Super busy in between trips, but I want to show you the brand new Blackstone 28-inch adventure ready griddle with Flexfold legs. The 28-inch Flexfold Adventure Ready is brand new at Walmart and walmart.com. God willing, you'll see me out in the field a lot later this spring and summer with this unit. I tried getting up into the mountains to film a video with this a few weeks ago, but I had some technical difficulties, some good footage and some really bad footage from that day. This is what the griddle looks like when it's fully assembled. So let me take off my 20-pound propane tank. Shout out to my buddy Cooking with the Schmidt, Blackstone Griddle crew member, for the sweet propane cover. This is the beauty of the Flexfold. I put it side by side with one of the Blackstone 22-inch Flexfold griddles. This is a 28-inch griddle. As you can see, it's quite a bit larger, and there's a direct size comparison of the 22 versus the new 28. I'd almost compare it to a dolly or a hand truck. You can move the unit around like this. Because it's a 28-inch griddle, quite a bit larger, it's gonna weigh a little more. I think the 22-inch model is somewhere in that 75 to 80 pound range. This is probably somewhere, best I can tell by holding it and weighing it on a scale, best I can tell, probably around 105 pounds or so. I'll show you how we assemble it. Unlock this little tab, put your foot on the handy little step, squeeze the little orange handle. And the genius of this new model is this shock. Even though it's 105 pounds, look at this. Piece of cake to lift it with the assist of the shock. A beautiful brand new redesign on the hardcover with this unit. This has what I would call a cooler type of closure. It also doubles as a shield. The hardcover hangs on these little hooks on the back of the unit. There's a cool little propane hanger. 20-pound propane canister goes on like this. This goes around the collar on the top of the unit to stabilize it. A handy little hook to store our propane hose. Just hook it up like that. This is super cool. Lots of ingenuity here. This is where the grease cup stows underneath the handle, and the same rear grease management system that we have on all the Blackstones. A brand new style of side shelf, sleek new look to this one. It has a beautiful gray faceplate with a cool orange accent, that Adventure Ready logo that we like. The side shelves are pretty slick. I left our point of purchase advertising on this unit. You can see it has the 2 heat zones. It's a 28-inch griddle, of course. Roughly 517 square inches of cooking real estate. So, you know, whether you're talking asparagus, sausage, broccoli, tomatoes, eggs, potatoes, just room for everything you want to cook. I don't think anybody's ever cooked all those same items at the same time, with the exception of our graphic artists. They like a wide variety of menu items. And of course, it has the Blackstone Omnivore griddle plate. Now, I've been using the Omnivore griddle plates for about 1.5 years, maybe going on 2 years. What I like most about them is I don't need to use the wind guards like we did on the old models. Pretty much windproof. So when I'm out fishing, hiking, hunting, camping, we're doing all this crazy adventure cooking, I just love the fact that you can cook with the Omnivore plate in a wide array of weather conditions. You can just see how windproof it is. You can see how the sides are blocked off under the new design. One more thing I should probably throw in about the Omnivore, the big selling point is you use less propane. So they were able to lower the BTUs. I think we have 24,000 BTUs here, 2 burners, 12,000 on each. So substantially less BTUs, but because the heat gets trapped in, you save more propane. I'm literally getting ready to run out the door to Florida to film more adventure videos, but I wanted to give you a first look at the Blackstone 28-inch Adventure Ready griddle with Flexfold legs. Walmart, walmart.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're watching all of my friends on the Blackstone network. Look for me cooking on this later this spring and summer. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone Griddle, of course.